Good afternoon, Matt Olds here with Heartland RV, General Manager of Big Country. And today we're at our audit facility. I wanted to give you a sneak peek on the all-new Big Country. Wanted to go over some of the new interior changes, and also we're in our new 3702 FB. This is a new front bath floor plan. It's a bath and a half. This fall we redesigned the interiors of Big Country. We did a two-tone wood this year. We have the shoreline maple as our main wood with the harbor gray as an accent. We tie it in with our new herringbone flooring. And in this particular decor package, we have our what's called our Concord decor, which gives you the lighter furniture. We also offer a Nash decor, which gives you a little bit darker furniture, but it really ties it all together really nicely. Here we are in the kitchen area of the 3702 FB. Like I mentioned, this is the new floor plan, the front bath with a bath and a half. We put a nice large island kitchen in here. What's unique about this floor plan too is it has a double pantry. So you got your big super slide here on your driver's side. Huge pantry with built-in drawers. As we come along in the kitchen area, you have your oversized 30-inch convection microwave, the Furrion gourmet kitchen package. So you got the 3-burner cooktop along with the oven. And on this particular unit, we optioned in the residential fridge. The 18-cube gas electric fridge is standard, so you can choose which fridge you'd like. And then, like I mentioned, that second pantry here, right by your half bath. Here's our half bath on the 3702 FB. Just wanted to get you a glimpse of that. You got a nice sink that has solid surface top, built-in window, storage, and also what's nice about this floor plan is we offer an optional desk in this bonus room. One other thing I wanted to show you guys was the One Control feature. This system is standard on all Big Countries. I actually have the system in my personal camper and had it for over a year, and it works really great. What's nice about it is you download the app and you can tie this into your phone and be able to control everything on your coach. Everything from your awnings, if you do the optional gen, you can dim and control all your lights, run your slide outs out, you can control your leveling system, turn your fan on, access your monitor panel, light your hot water heater. What's nice about that, if you're out on your phone and you're out around the coach and you're putting slides out, you can make sure you're not going to hit anything. You can do everything just from a touch of a button on your phone. Check it out. The all-new 3702 FB has a walk-in closet. Along with the walk-in closet, we also have a 54-inch one-piece shower with a seat. And then also up here in the front, you have a washer-dryer prep. All new upgraded bathroom sinks this year. So this is a molded solid surface sink we actually manufacture in-house at Heartland because we have our own countertop shop. And as you can see, the harbor gray accent wood in here. Huge front bath. And if you look inside the closet here, it's where we got our Dyson cordless vac. You got a lot of hanging space, a lot of storage, built-in cubbies. Next to me here is our king bed slide. We got nice cross ventilation windows here, USB charging outlets on both sides, and also on both sides of the bed we got 110 outlets. Straight across from the bed we got a ton of storage, along with a 32-inch LED TV. Thanks for coming out to our audit facility today and getting a sneak peek on the new 3702 FB. This unit will be hitting dealers' lots this winter. For more information, check out heartlandrvs.com.